I'm going to make green tea and then I'll do the roof. Is this part looking nice? This wall is quite cracked, so I don't know if I can permanently do something. I might put a curtain over there. And this part is almost done. I have to just sand it down, even the roof part, like I have almost done. And this part is done too. So when I'll come back from work, I just have to sand it down and then paint it. I expect the unexpected.
I don't know. I don't think so. We have a spare blanket.
स्पेयर ब्लैंकेट नहीं है तो इनका मैट्रेस गंदा होगा भाई. मैट्रेस कवर इनका जाए जब इन्होंने इतना गंदा घर दिया है. नहीं अच्छा है घर अच्छा है.
I don't have any other bucket.
मेरा अगरबत्ती स्टैंड है, इससे मैं पुट्टी मिक्स कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ और है नहीं. I have to fill that. I have to fill that with that. Let's see if I can do it. मेहंदी हाथों से. Not over committing, but I have a feeling that this might finish in one day because I did putty of this wall. If you can see, all the cracks are done and even this wall is done. So I'll go to work and it will dry out in 3 hours. So I'll come after 6-7 hours. So I'll sand it and then I'll paint it. So that will take like 3-4 hours to dry, and after that I'll paint it again, like 2-3 coatings. So I think it will max take 1.5 days or something. It's my cousin's engagement, so I have to hurry up. Why would you assume that I will not have food first and check messages?
Which we will get back, of course, after we get the furniture.
I didn't hear a word you said, but okay.
500 deposit, 475 deposit.
Works.
Okay. सुबह 6 बजे.
5:30 बजे. Now I'll make the color.
रुको.
White color and adding it little bit here. have taken this pink. I don't know if this will work out with that color or it will come up very childish because I don't like the yellow wall I did. So let's see. I probably put this pencil and make some design on top of that. I don't even want to show the complete thing. I'm sort of happy with this texture. I'll just do the edges with the brush and a little bit darker pink, and then I'll put whitish hue in this yellow because I don't like the yellow that came out because it's very lemonish yellow and I don't like lemonish yellow. I wanted it to be bright yellow. It's not even close to perfect. I just did it very roughly, but I think I can work with it. पेंटिंग का काम पूरा ही हो रहा था और मुझे लगा अरे कुछ इसे पंगा कैसे नहीं हुआ, ये पूरा कैसे हो गया, और फिर ये हो गया. अब मैं जा रही हूँ सोने, मैं नहीं हूँ कर पाऊँगी इसे साथ.